Hello everybody, this is Mr. Storm. In this video, I want to show you a little bit, I want to show you the Arkanoid project. Now mine is missing a very critical element. Let's see if you can spot it. So I have my ball, I have my paddle, I have my barriers. All this stuff we know how to do. But the one thing that I'm missing in this project, two things really. The one big thing I'm missing though are the bricks. The bricks are missing. And here's why. Bricks, for this project, are going to be a bit of a challenge. It is going to require you to use some skills that I haven't taught you. Everything that I've taught you so far, if you were to try to use one of those techniques to build the bricks, you're going to run into one of two issues. Okay? So for example, if you try building the bricks with an area 2D as your main node, then you'll be able to make the brick go away using QFree, which I haven't taught you yet, but it's a Googleable thing. Basically, QFree is a command that will delete a node. So you can use QFree to get rid of that brick whenever the ball hits it. But the ball won't actually bounce off of the brick if it's an area 2D node. If you use a static body or a kinematic body, then you can bounce off of the object, you can bounce off of the brick, but there's no way to tie a signal from ball to brick to make the brick disappear using QFree whenever it collides. So there are multiple ways to solve this problem, but they all require you to extend past what I've already taught you. So I'm kind of leaving it up to you to find your solution, the one that works best for you. Chances are this is going to be the most difficult part of the assignment, is trying to get the bricks to work properly. But I want to see how good you are at finding resources online to try to make it work. The other thing that you could focus on, that you could do is, once you get your bricks in there and everything's working properly, you could find a way to create an area down here below the paddle, where if the ball hits that area, we reset the game completely. We did this a little bit with our scoring, but I haven't taught you how to completely restart a scene. That is a pretty easy thing to do. You just have to Google it and you can find that. You could also create some kind of a HUD that counts the amount of bricks you have on the screen. And whenever you've counted down, you can change to another scene that says, good job, you won the game. There are a lot of ways to extend this project. But this part, the part that I'm demonstrating here, this requires no new knowledge. This is completely 100% within the realm of things that I've taught you. This part here, getting the ball to move, getting the paddles to move, getting your barriers, changing the screen size, all of that should only take you maybe about a half an hour to implement. And then you have the rest of the week to try to solve those other unique problems that I'm throwing at you. Done for this project is going to look different for every person, depending on how much you can get finished in that week. We're all going to turn this project in by the end of the week. And your grade is going to be based on how much of this you get implemented. I'm going to be very lenient on the grading. This is supposed to be a fun exploration type assignment, meaning I want you to extend your abilities as much as you can. I want you to go find new skills that you can add to your toolbox. And don't stress too much about how your grade is going to look at the end of this project. Just do your best, try to come up with some unique solutions to this problem, and we'll see what everybody finds. There are multiple ways to solve these problems that I'm presenting to you. So we'll see what you come up with. All right, let me know if you have any questions. If you're trying something new or unique, I may not be able to help you too much, but that's kind of the intent behind this, is that you work on this on your own. All the stuff that I've already taught you, if you forgot how to do some of that stuff, you can refer to the previous lessons from the last couple of weeks or ask me for clarification and I can help out. But other than that, get started. Let's see what you come up with. All right, I'll see you next time.